Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, one question discuss about very important one. Please who are watching my video first time, you can clear the entire video, you can understand the concept. And if you have any questions, you are comment in my channel. If I'm missing, you can re-comment me and definitely will resolve your issues. Due to some technical problems, due to some updating, I have not focused on the comment box. And definitely, I'm missing any comment for the 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You can definitely pick that to us. I definitely will support how we can resolve your issues. So now, any particular one website, how we can advertise from online through Facebook. So when you open the ad, lot of ads will be posting for into the particular Facebook page. In this one, I can target anytime Facebook and Instagram. What is the targeting? How we can target the customers? Now we can focus it. In this purpose, we have to use the Facebook Ads Manager. Select the campaign is called awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generation, messages, conversion. Lot of things are there. First of all, I can give the reach to the public, awareness to the public. So now I'm starting for reach. In this reach, we can selecting the particular customers. In a first step, no need to step anything option. Now is a buying type option and the purpose of reach. We can reach the more audience. Don't select any option here. Only you can select the campaign name here. So this campaign will be creating for seasonindoor.swimmingpool.com. This website, they're providing for swimming classes, Kondapur, Gachibowli, and Afispet nearby the Kondapur area. You can contact them in the particular website. They will give you the success rate to the training from the swimming. In this first step here, Facebook. In this website, how we can promote it. So here, select one will be page was selected. When page was selected, automatically selected by the Facebook page and Instagram. By your Facebook page connecting Instagram, compulsory mandatory fee. Here they're asking for two budget, lifetime or daily budget. I can go daily budget, minimum 80 rupees also will be good. How much you will be reach? 14,000 to 39,000 each. 14,000 to 39,000 each. Here they mention end date, but I'm not mentioned the end date. When it is concludes, they will run the ad. So only for 1 day purpose, we can selecting the ad will be only 1 day purpose. Only 1 day purpose. 14,000 to 39,000 people will be reach. Next, audience location. I select the target locations. A target, I can target the specific audience, like where the location will be target. So target is more powerful. So what are the locations are there? Yeah. Now these are the locations. Next, age people. Up to how many people? This is a target up to 55 age people are target. 55 more than they can't use in Facebook also. They use but up from targeting 18 plus to up to 55 plus. Then now will target will be 12K to 35K. Suppose if we are targeting for more people, the strength will be increasing by the public. So we can go with the 65 plus. I can see the same public. So better to we can optimize up to 50 years. Any changes? Nothing will be changes. After that, here. So these all option will be given. First class, second point will be first is location, second your map location, age, gender, detail target. A detail target will be here. You can target by the swimming. Who are interested in swimming? they can show your ad will be particular detail targeting. So that will be compulsory, which is interested. That is, you can focus by here. Indoor swimming pool, nothing is there. So swimming is the only one option. So utilize them. Next, language, all languages. Likely won't spend the entire budget to the ad audience to the small, increase the size of your audience to help ad get them. So they say about the audience network, but I'm talking only for specific places. I'm not focused entire Hyderabad. So automatic placement here, manual. Manual placement nothing but where you can visible ad, Facebook, audience network, Instagram, Messenger. If you're adding for Messenger also, enable it. There is a manual option. So this ad will be shown to the Facebook, audience network, Instagram, Messenger. So these are the particular options. If any budget control required, means nothing but per reach, I'll give you some certain budget. Suppose 1 rupee. What happened? They completely affected your results. That is called don't give any bidding control budget. Now 7.k to 22k, depending on the audience target. So if I'm selecting for automatic placements and manual placement, nothing will be different by the reach. So that is will be. And adding an extra option will be messenger also. After this one, click for next. The final step will be called the Facebook page connecting for Instagram also they will be visible clearly. So after this one, single image, here image was created, add media, upload, logo adding, the crop original will be there. So that is the showing here. The showing will be like this, add a particular in this. So here, next add your particular text here. So adding in this. So my content. So everything is ready. Finally, we can go to optimize the publish option. So this ad visible by your complete option. How many 15 placements? Video feed, marketplace, stories, group feed, Instagram, Instagram feed, Instagram stories. IGTV not possible. Video is only possible. Instagram Explorer, Honest Network, and Instant Video not supported. Message stories and Facebook search results. It is the option. Only not visible by Instant Video and which one is not accepting Facebook instant article. This will be not supporting for IGTV. This is not supporting for instant video. Why not supporting video? So this will be only we promoting for image, not for the text. So that is compulsory will be given and the particular here. So here is the option. Close. Click for publish. The ad going to the publish, the reach audience to the particular very less budget, increase the more audience option. This is the option will be given by the particular audience to the running the ad purpose. Any further questions, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. So if we are any particular audience reaching more purpose, less budget and increasing more audience, the option name is called reach campaign. That will be more affected to the particular audience. After review will be finished, the ad will be shown to customers on the Facebook profile option. So this will be mostly affected by the audience to the getting more customers by using Facebook ads to the your particular business. So create the reach and awareness ad. You can less budget reaching for more people. They can know about your brand awareness. Automatically getting for more leads through people who looking for your service. So this is the keep it in mind to work on the particular keywords. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Any question about any further information, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Thank you. Thank you very much.